Previously on World Went Dark Outdoors.
This episode of World Went Dark Outdoors starts right now.
Headed to Utah. We're gonna load the truck, head down to the Philly airport, flying straight into Salt Lake City, meeting up with the guys there, and it's a wrap.
Here we are, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, getting ready to leave out to Utah. And get Jared here, president of One Wish Foundation, myself, Mr. TJ Bev. I don't know how to say that. Just TJ. But we're heading out to Utah to hunt for some elk, and we try to promote One Wish the whole time we're here, and hope you guys enjoy the ride. It's going to be a good time.
Don't forget, we're going
into a burning ring of fire, ridden down, 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 and flames went high. It burns, 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 the ring of fire, the ring of fire. The taste of love is sweet, red hearts like ours beat. I fell for you like
WWDO has arrived in Salt Lake City, Utah.
That's right. I fell into a burning ring of fire, ridden down. Dude, if he would show up in that car, I would have been upset. Do you see that car right there? Yeah.
After a long day of travel, the guys finally make it to camp. They get settled in, get a good night's sleep, and the next day they make sure their bows are all dialed in.
The shortest distance to success is not always measured by the easiest path in life. Sometimes, a little extra patience goes a long way while in the outdoors. Sometimes, a little extra attention to detail separates a good broadhead from an exceptional broadhead. Sometimes, the choice is simple. Choose Executioner Broadheads the next time you're out in the woods. Executioner Broadheads, born to kill.
First elk hunt for the PA boys.
See you, buddy.
Chaz here is taking us out, going to set us all up. We're going to get her done, WWDO style.
It's go time.
see more deer, you better smell like one.
Drive rut-crazed bucks right into your hunting path with the most powerful estrus scent collected from real does. From their signature buck butter to the new rub and ride, all of Lowe's deer scents are vacuum sealed for freshness. For buck butter, wet deer cover scent, fatal attraction, suicide buck, and more, get yours today at www.loweswhitetail.com.
It's 3 o'clock, first day of elk in Utah. Carl and I just took another 1,500 feet on elevation. Probably sitting right now at about 10,005. We're about 3.5 miles up on this mountain. We're close to the top, but we found a little spot right down below here. We're covered with the pines. We got some marshy area, wet area. Looks like a lot of traffic. Looks like they've been feeding through here. All we need to do is have the wind change a little bit for us, but later this afternoon I have a feeling the wind's gonna go with the thermal throw and push it back up this mountain. So we're gonna sit it out until dark, and then hopefully we can find our way out of here because we are solo. This is the 18. We're out.
Well, Jared, the only thing left to do now is sit back and enjoy the sunset.
Alright, here we are. It's morning of day 2 of the hunt in Utah. We are heading out shortly to hike up that mountain again. I'm getting more of a workout today than I do all year long.
What about yesterday?
But it's awesome.
Yesterday was a pretty good workout.
Yesterday, yeah, every day on this mountain. We don't see these mountains in Pennsylvania, so this is pretty new to us.
We don't have mountains in Pennsylvania.
No, we have,
hills.
what do you call them?
Molehills.
Molehills. Molehills. But we're excited. We got Chaz here. He's going with Jared and Carl today. And Tyson, who's somewhere around here, is going to drop me and TJ off where he was at yesterday and seen a bunch of elk. And we're going to see what happens. So stay with us. It's about to get real. WWDO. Another day is shortly coming to an end. I didn't see any elk out in those fields. And here he comes, so I'm assuming Tyson didn't either. I should have just shot that cow this morning, I guess. Could have tagged out, had elk meat going back to PA. I don't know. That's hunting. My kids aren't going to be happy, I know that. But what do? Hesitate for a second. That's that. WWDO. Day 2 coming to a close.
Simple. Efficient. Amazing. The Hooker Deer Drag. Patented. Made in the USA. Available online at hookerdeerdrag.com. Take a hooker to the woods with you.
What's the word?
Is it day 3?
It's day 4.
Day 4?
Day 4. Didn't have too much movement last night, or yesterday, but we're looking forward to today. I think we have a nice sized bull and a bunch of cow that are going to be bed down, so we're going to try to get in that area before they get there and see what happens. So it's been pretty awesome out here. We're looking forward to another great day. You get to hike up in these mountains that you see off in the distance when you're sitting here on the porch at the end of the day. And it's pretty amazing. You get to see things that, yeah, most people just dream about seeing. The views up there are pretty amazing. So hang out. We're going to have a great day today. We'll see you soon. WWDO. Pretty intense hike to get up here this morning. Stopped to get our bearings. We got about another quarter mile yet to go to where we're going to sit in our blind. We put some sugar in my body. I think today's the day. Let's get us an elk.
usually a tradition, okay, that when there is a miss, you lose a part of your shirt tail.
What tail?
Shirt tail. And that shirt tail gets signed by both of yous and then hung at the camp with the date and everything on it. It's tradition. We must follow tradition. So therefore,
like this shirt tail?
When you get back from camp, when we get back to camp, you two will lose shirt tails. Okay?
Why wait? No, it's not. You not these shirts.
not these ones.
I'll find you a shirt at home.
Why are we waiting? Let's get it done right now.
All right, we're in the high country of Utah. Thanks to these boys, Chaz and Tyson, brought us out here to do some elk hunting. We're going to bring a little bit about Eastern Pennsylvania to them, Pennsylvania Dutch tradition, that when you miss, you lose your shirt tail. And thanks to Raptor Razors, we're going to give it a try. Mr. TJ missed a cow a couple days ago.
Yes, sir.
So guess what? We do a little twist. There's one. Next, Chaz also missed a cow. And by the way, these folks are going to sign this, and it hangs in the lodge. Mr. Chaz aimed at 45. He should have aimed at 55, but that's okay.
It's your fault for not telling me.
Another shirt tail. Tyson, come on up. It's your turn. Now my boy Tyson, unfortunately, or fortunately for us, he gets cut twice because he shot at a bull and missed twice. So we got the shirt tail. And a sleeve. Hope I don't slip on this one, because these are good knives. World went dark outdoors coming to you. Real guys living the dream. That's a tradition. And you know what, my pop upstairs, he's loving this right about now.
Oh, I'm sure.
Got a black Sharpie.
We're perfect.
That way, no one knows I'm. It's freaking drafty. Yeah, you can feel it.
Good. Did you get this side? That's a nice. Ooh, look at the guns.
Yeah.
Which way did the gun show?
This way, you can't.
Here's how I look at it. There's two guys the elk have stayed away from for a reason. Because they know we don't miss.
I was with both of you.
Alright, so here's what's going on, folks. Carl and I decided to try and change our luck up this morning. And we changed it alright. Jared killed a bull, spiked bull elk. His first trip elk hunting, his dream hunt. I can't wait to get to him and see the expression on his face and how happy he is. But we decided to change our luck, and Carl came with me today. So unfortunately, Jared didn't have a cameraman with him. One of the guys, Chaz, he had to leave last night. He got some kind of rodeo or something today and tomorrow. So we didn't have two cameramen, so we only had one. And Carl and I decided, well, normally when we get together, we get some good luck, so he came with me. And unfortunately, that was the wrong decision, because Jared killed this morning. So we're hiking up to him now with the frame packs to pack all this meat out and celebrate and see what he got. So stay with us. WWDO coming at you.
goes up. This is the wall. Gonna have a tree up there. That's what I'm talking. Right? They set the 6 hours. Just start walking down on a rope. There's. Pull back. Start shaking. Start crying. It was awesome. I hugged him. Oh my god, dude. Like you said before. What did you do, brother?
Arrow has landed.
What did you do? I'm so happy for you, dude. Oh my god. If anybody deserves it, it's you, buddy. If anybody deserves it, it's you.
You gave me a lot of pain.
That is awesome. It's all worth it now, man.
Yeah.
What'd you say this morning? Pain no gain?
Oh. 2 days hunting, day off to recoup. 2 days hunting, day off to recoup. Thanks to him. I was gonna quit. We made it happen.
Boys already got it cut up. Awesome. Dude, I don't even care. Executioner broadheads, baby. Put down this elk in 40 to 50 yards. That's what we like to see.
Can you grant me one wish? I won't ask for much. We can go hunt, hang with my eyes. I've known sounds out there, it's all that I need. One wish, one dream, one life, one memory. To last forever. I heard these words, I said, God, please. I've got what it takes to help this family